best way to revise things, or at least to retain till the exam, so that we can attempt a lot of questions in the exam?
Well, that is something of a very general nature that you've asked. I would say, like, what I used to do was I think making your own notes, trying to understand things, it helps you really in a great manner when you make your own notes. Or always try to have a bird's eye view. Try to relate things with other information that you already have. It talks about assimilation and accommodation of information into your ways, into your schema. तो किसी तरीके से मतलब आप ये चीज देखें कि कोई भी चीज आइसोलेशन में नहीं है, हर चीज किसी ना किसी चीज से रिलेटेड है. So just try to make that kind of a chain, एक mental map अगर हम बनाते हैं. There are a lot of strategies available. कोई लोग mnemonics use करते हैं, कोई लोग अलग-अलग चीजें use करते हैं, कोई mental maps बनाते हैं. So I think you have to find out what suits you the best, because then it's all about you have to retrieve the information when you want it. And like we have already discussed, you hardly have about 1 minute per question, which you have to read the question, you have to read the options, and then आपको उसके बारे में सोचना है. So you can't wait. You can't just sit there and think about it. It should come automatically to you at that time. तो उस चीज के लिए तो I think you have to formulate some kind of a strategy. वो APFC exam नहीं, वो generally अगर कोई भी आप एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, so you need to find out what strategy suits you best.